Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Vision Mark Minds. I am Sushma. This year SSLC 2021 question paper pattern is totally changed. Each paper carries 40 marks and if you just have only MCQ questions, you don't have any 1 mark or 2 mark questions because you have only MCQs, and per day you have totally 3 papers. That means in each day you are going to write totally 120 marks. 40, 40, 40. And starting day you have 3 papers as a languages: Kannada, English, Hindi, and next another day you are going to have main subject, that's maths, science and social. You people need to prepare well for this exam, and because every time you are going to have a reasoning related to the topic. If you written anything also, you are going to get marks as a 1 mark or 2 mark questions. But here you have only MCQ questions. You need to work hard because if one went wrong, it's fully wrong only. So you need to work hard and you need to get a good marks in exam. Means please subscribe to my channel. 30th term of the AP, whose first 2 terms are 10 and 7 eighths. Options we have 97, 77, minus 77, minus 87. So they gave 2 terms, that is A1 and A2. We will write it down now. So A1 is 10 and A2 is 7. So here we need to find out further is difference. So we need to find out difference. We need to subtract second term with the first term. Second term we will write as a A2 minus A1 is equals to 7 minus 10. Difference we need to find out easy way you can do in a simple trick, because you need to write anything, you need to find out difference. Means you will write A2 is equals to A plus D. So A will cancel, afterwards you will get a D. So instead of that, easily you can do, because A2 you have 2 minus 1 will get 1. So difference D. So 1D is equals to minus 3 we will get 7 minus 10. So therefore we will get D is equals to minus 3. Now we will find out A30. A30 is equals to A plus 29D. We can write it like this. That is equals to 10, because A value we have 10 plus 29. D value we have minus 3. We will substitute now that. We will get the answer is 10. 29 into 3 we will get 87. Plus into minus we will get minus. So minus 87 we will get. Now by subtracting we will get minus 77 as the answer. So therefore the correct answer is C, minus 77. Second one, if the 11th term of an AP is 38 and the 16th term is 73, what is its 18th term? Options are 97, 74, 87, 100. Here they gave 11th term and 16th term. We will write it down now. A11 is equals to 38, A16 is equals to 73. And they said to find out 18th term. We need to find out 18th term means we need to find out difference. To find out difference, bigger term minus smaller term we need to subtract. So I'll now subtract it. A16 minus A11 is equals to 73 minus 38. 16 minus 11 we will do now. So by doing that we will get 5D. Because A16 also you can write as a plus 15D. So instead of taking another one step further, so in an easy way I am telling that you have 16 means what you have number, that one subtract with another one term number. 16 we have 16 minus 11 we will get 5D. So instead of, if you take another one like A plus 15D, A cancels, you will get again 5D. So it's an easy way to do. 16 minus 11 you will get 5. Difference is D, that is equals to 73 minus 38 we will get 35. Now by dividing this we will get D is equals to 7. Now we need to find out 18th term means we need to put a formula AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. But here we don't have A. So in an easy way we need to find out means we will find out 17th term, and afterward based on that only we will do 18th term. So 17th term we need to find out means we need to have 16th term and difference. By adding that we will get 17th term. So we will write it down. A17 is equals to A16 plus D. 16 we have 73. So 73 plus difference is 7. By adding that both we will get 80. Now we will find out 18th term. So A18 term is equals to A17 plus D. So 80 plus 7 we will get 87. Because 17 is 80, difference is 7, we will get 87. So the correct answer is option C, 87. Third one, 11th term of the AP minus 3 minus 1 by 2, 2, etc. is, the options are 28, 22, minus 38, minus 41 by 2. Here they said we need to find out 11th term, and here we have a series is minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2. We have a series. So based on that we can easily find out A and D. So let's find out that. So first term we have 3. A1 is equals to minus 3 and A2 is minus 1 by 2. Now we need to find out difference. We need to find out difference means we need to subtract bigger term minus smaller term. Bigger term we have A2 minus A1, that is equal to A2 is minus 1 by 2 minus half. We have a A1 is minus 3, we will write it down. So by difference we will get 1t is equals to minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 3. So now we need to find out LCM for this both. By finding LCM we will get LCM as a 2. So therefore we need to multiply 3 with the 2 only. So therefore we will get 6. D is equals to minus 1 plus 6. 3 2s are 6. By LCM we will get that 6 divided by 2. By subtracting 1 minus 1 plus 6 we will get 5 divided by 2. Now we need to find out 11th term. We have a A, we have a D. We can easily find out. 11th term we need to find out means A11 is equals to A plus 10D. A value we have and D value we have. We will substitute it. A is minus 3 plus 10 bracket. D value is 5 by 2. Now we will divide 2 and 10. We will get 5 because 2 5s are 10. Minus 3 plus 5 into 5. That implies we will get minus 3 plus 25. 5 5s are 25. Now we will subtract it. We will get 22 as the answer. So therefore answer B is a correct. Fourth one, in an AP, if D is equals to minus 3, N is equals to 18, AN is equals to minus 5, then A is. Options are minus 25, 46, 26, 21. Here they said we need to find out A and they gave other terms everything. So directly we'll substitute in a formula now. So what we have formula is AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN value we have minus 5, that is equal to A plus N is 18 minus 1 and D is minus 3. We will substitute and now we will do subtraction of 18 minus 1. So we will get 17. Minus 5 is equals to A plus 17 into minus 3. Now we will multiply 17 with the 3. We will get 51 plus into minus minus. Minus 5 will be like that only. So we will get minus 5 is equals to A minus 51. Now I'll take that minus 51 other side. It will become plus 51. So we will get 51 minus 5 is equals to A. By subtracting 51 with the 5 we will get A is equals to 46. Therefore, the answer for this question is option B, 46. Fifth one, in an AP, A is equals to 3.5, D is equals to 0, N is equals to 10.5, then AN will be. Options are 109, 0, 3.5, 99. You can observe here D value they gave 0. If in a formula AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D formula, if we apply D is equals to 0, then N minus 1 term also it will become 0 because it will multiply with the D, then X will also 0 only. Then what is left over? A only left over. Now we can say A is a correct answer. What we have A value? 3.5. That will be equal to AN. If D will be 0, then AN will be equal to A. Like these problems many times they will give in an exam, and that time you don't need to put a formula and you need to check further and all. By seeing only if you get a D is 0 means you can directly say that AN will be equal to A. So therefore now the answer is C. 3.5 is a correct one. Sixth one, the first three terms of an AP whose first term is 7 and common difference 3 are. Options 10, 13, 16, 13, 16, 19, 9, 12, 15, 10, 16, 19. Here they said we need to find out next are the 3 terms and they gave here first term and difference. We will write it down now. A is equals to 7, D is equals to 3. Now we need to find out second term because A is a first term. second term is A2. We need to get A2, we can add A1 with the 3. That means difference. Now we will add A2 is equals to 7 plus 3, we will get 10. This is A2. Now we need A3, next term. A3 we need means we can add A2 with a D. That is 10 plus 3, that is equal to 13. For A4, like that only, we will add A3 with a D, we will get 13 plus 3, that is equals to 16. So therefore, the correct answer is option A, 10, 13, 16. Seventh one, the sum of n terms of an AP is Sn is equals to 2n square plus 6n. What is its first term? Options are 8, 3, 6, 10. First we will write down the equation what they gave. That is Sn is equals to 2n square plus 6n. They said first term we need to find out. That means S1 we need to find out. If second term means it's not like a S2 you need to find out because first term is A. S1 means only sum of one term. So therefore if you find out S1 it's enough. If sum of two terms means we need to do S2. But second term means it's not a S2. Don't get confused here. So we need to find out S1 that is equals to 2 into 1 square plus 6 into 1. By adding and multiplying this one we will get S1 is equals to 2 plus 6. By adding 2 plus 6 we will get answer is 8. S1 is equals to 8 we will get, that is only the first term. S1 sum of only one term, that is the first term. The answer for this question is option A, 8. 8th one, the n-1 term of an AP is given by 7, 12, 17, 22, etc. is options are 5n plus 2, 5n plus 7, 5n plus 3, 5n minus 3. Here they gave the sequence, in that only we have A and D value. We will write it down now. A is equals to 7, it's the first term. D is equals to second term minus first term. 12 minus 7, we will get 5. Now we will write formula. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here you can see they said n minus 1th term. That means n value is n minus 1. We will substitute that one here now. 7 plus n value is n minus 1 into 5. Here we have a minus 1, same sign. We can add it. We will get 7 plus n minus 1, it will become minus 2 into 5. Now we will multiply 5 inside of bracket. We will get 7 plus 5 into n, we will get 5n. 5 into 2 we will get 10. Minus is there. We will write like that only. Then we will get the answer is 5n minus 3. Minus 10 plus 7 we will get minus 3. So therefore the correct answer is option D, 5n minus 3. Ninth one, if M, N, O and P are in AP, then O minus N is options P minus M, P minus O, P minus N, O minus M. Here they said that you need to find out next another series. It's not like that you need to find out O minus N. You need to find out another sequence like this only. Here M, N, O, P, it's in the form of A1, A2, A3, A4. And here O and N is, O is A3 and N is A2. We got here A3 minus A2. Like that only any sequence we have here or not we need to check. If it's there, that is the correct answer. First one we will see P minus M. Here P is what? A4. M is what? A1. It's not possible because A4 minus A1. It's not possible. Next one we have P is what? P minus O we have. P is what? A4 and O is A3. It's possible. It's similar to O minus N only. We will write this one. And next one we'll check P minus N. P is what? A4. N is what? A2. 4 and 2. It's not possible. And next one O minus M. O is A3 and M is A1. It's also not possible. So which is left over? Option B. P minus O. It's in the correct form. It's like A4 minus A3. Like what they gave in a question, O minus N. A3 minus 10th one. If the sum of three numbers in an AP is 6 and their product is minus 120, then numbers are options minus 6, 2, 10, 2, 6, 10, 1, 7, 13, 13, minus 7, 1. This is a 4 marks problem. Most of the time you people get in exams also. But that is a lengthier one. Here no need to do that much lengthy problem. Here in a shortcut way how to do we will see here. They said first the sum of the three numbers is 6. We will check here any numbers what we have options that numbers by adding we will get 6 or not. So first one we have minus 6 to 10. We will add and check now. Minus 6 plus 2 plus 10. By this one we will get plus 6 by adding. Its possibility is there. And next one 2, 6, 10. By adding this we will not get 6. So therefore it's not possible. Next one we have 1, 7, 30. By adding this also we will not get 6. This is also not possible. And another one is 13 minus 7, 1. By adding this we will get 7. We will not get 6. So therefore it's also not possible. So then which one is possibility is there? Option A, minus 6 to 10. One condition is okay, that's sum. And product we need to check. Product what we need to get? Minus 120. We will check now that by multiplying this we will get minus 120 or not. Minus 6 into 2 we will get 12. 12 into 10 we will get 120. Minus is there, so therefore we will get minus 120. Therefore the correct answer for this question is option A, minus 6 to 10. It's a shortcut way, you can easily do this without lengthier way. For like this more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you so much.